Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share. Carla's Kitchen CC, yeah. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
Guys, as you see the title, I will be frying some ripe plantains. So here's my plantain. I already washed it, so I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to cut my plantain like this. And then I'm going to show you how you can cut your plantains into 3 different shapes. Thank you so much guys for your support. This is the plantain out of the skin. So I'm going to go ahead now and start cutting this plantain, and I will be cutting this plantain in like an oval shape, kind of. See, just like this guys. Look at these shapes. Yes, kind of oval, a little bit, yeah. Beautiful shapes. So this is the second plantain, and this plantain, I will be cutting this plantain more like into a circular form. So these ones going to be cut round, okay? Just like this. See the shapes guys? These are nice and round. So here we have plantain number 3, and plantain number 3, I will be cutting plantain number 3 long ways. Here we have it out of the skin. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to cut plantain number 3 in half first, just like this. Yes, just like this guys. Then I am going to cut it a long way. Like this. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Easy steps to follow. See? add the plantains to the pot. And I will be frying the plantains for about a minute or until golden brown on both sides. Look at these fried ripe plantain, guys. Yes, yummy and delicious fried plantains. And we have two different tone here. We have the darker golden brown and we have the lighter golden brown. Because you know some folks like their plantains a little bit darker and some like their plantains lighter, like the lighter golden yellow. Here we have a beautiful plate of fried ripe plantains. These are so delicious. These are yummy, tasty, and they taste very good with saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, ackee and saltfish. Yes, guys, try it out. Thank you so much again for your support. Bye.